Hi, I'm Bill Firestone. I'm along with Jill Perry, Andrew Leland, and Karen Seashore Lewis. I have been studying how EDD programs teach educational leaders to use evidence. We asked, what does graduates' use of evidence look like? And more to the point, for this presentation at least, is what factors best explain that use. And to do so, we conducted a mixed method study of 4 programs spread across the country. 2 of them had the conventional individual dissertation and 2 required groups of students to conduct dissertations together. The programs varied in size, and we collected data in 2 ways. First, we did case studies where we interviewed faculty and students and also sat in on classrooms and looked at documents. And second of all, we surveyed alumni, and then we interviewed a subset of those that we surveyed. We found 2 factors that contributed to evidence use. The first is formal instruction that had 2 characteristics. First, students learned to understand and conduct research, but they did so in a way where they had opportunities to use these research skills in applied settings. An example is the equity audit, where a school district assesses the factors that influence the inequity of outcomes or processes within their schools. 2 programs required students to conduct such equity audits, and we learned that students not only did them, but then used the results in their schools to make changes there. The other factor was social interaction, which had 2 sides also. The first was students learned through collective activities like cohorts, jigsaws, group course assignments, and group dissertations. The second was interaction with faculty. Students especially talked about the support they got around their dissertations. There was a trade-off between the individual and the group dissertations. The individual dissertation reinforced the idea of learning research in a way that links to practice, because these individual dissertations were always of a problem of practice set in the student's workplace. The group dissertation enhanced the social capacities for using research by requiring teamwork on the dissertation itself. We conducted a path analysis to assess what factors influenced uses of research. And this path analysis shows that experiential instruction had the most powerful effect, but social capital was also important, and the group dissertation was important by enhancing the social capital. These factors together suggest that it's the combination of things that contribute to students' use of evidence as alumni. This was the first study that we know of that actually looked at the outcomes of EDD programs, and we hope there will be more in the future.